So there's a lot going on here, but guess what? You do not need to know any of these details to calculate a subline adjusted net IRR. All you need to do is look at that subline balance and measure the change. If it goes up, that's a negative number, and if it goes down, that's a positive number. We can treat these changes just like contributions, and when we move this column over to the left, we get a new set of subline adjusted net to LP cash flows, which provide identical net multiples but a slightly lower net IRR of 12.17%. Now, here's a figure that I think helps to explain what's really happening under the hood of this model. The light blue line represents the cumulative actual capital calls from the LP. So there's basically 5 of them, which take the net contributions up to $205 million. This is the denominator of our net multiple and net IRR calculations. By including these subline changes as contributions, we replace that denominator with the darker dashed line, which has pulled several of the contributions forward so that they more closely match the investment activity of the fund. Note that we still end up at total net contributions of $205 million because at the end of the period, the subline balance is 0. So this is fundamentally a correction in the timing of cash flows, and one that I think should satisfy the SEC's concern about the consistency in methodology and time period.